Hi, it's Heather Michet. I've got a bread storage tip for you. This is in addition to how to store your bread outside of the refrigerator, especially and particularly your homemade bread. I will link that video in the description of this one. But if you find this video and others helpful with good tips, please do like them and forward them, share them with your baking friends. Also, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and be part of the healthy, sustainable tribe here on my channel. So I've got here about a half a loaf of my overnight, no-knead, 4-ingredient. Actually, this one has a couple more ingredients because this is my chocolate cranberry pave bread, and it's, like I said, it's the overnight ferment bread, and I've added some semi-sweet chocolate chips and craisins to it. So those are these yummies you see in here. What I want to show you today is how to store your bread in the freezer once you've gotten to the point where maybe you've eaten enough and you just want to make sure that it doesn't go bad. I cannot eat a loaf of bread, even though I'd love to eat a loaf of bread in a few days. Body just doesn't tolerate that much wheat. So what I have here, in addition to the bread, is half of a cereal box liner bag. You know, the bags that crackers and dry cereal comes in. And I've just cut it across the bottom where the seam is here, and then up both sides to yield this single piece. Now, what you do is simply start at one end, place your first slice down, and then your next slice folding over your plastic liner there, and your last one. And this way, you get to take out one slice of bread at a time, as opposed to having it either not sliced or having it sliced but not able to get just one slice out for toast or sandwich, what have you. And I have some others here, these liner bags, that I just continue the same deal down, and then another layer over, another layer of bread, the liner, you get the idea. And then what I will do with these stacks is put them in a heavy Ziploc bag that will go into the freezer. And then voila, then I can just simply take out one slice of bread and enjoy my toast or cheese toasty or whatever it is I'm using the bread for. Thanks for watching. I hope this tip was insightful and helpful for you. And again, do like this video and join me for more. Turning on notifications so you know when I pop up new videos here. Thanks for watching.